Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Roller Skating Stuart from Minions The Rise of Gru. So let's get started. To draw cute Stuart, let's first start by drawing a big circle for his one eye. So I'm just going to come right here. I'll just start and draw a big circle. And I'm just going to try my best to make it nice and round and big. But if you want it perfect, definitely just find something at home that you can use as a template. So I'm just going to try to draw a big circle here. Sometimes a little bit more natural looks better, I think, right? More organic. Okay, so I got this big wobbly circle, and then I'm going to come in here and draw another circle. So I'll just follow my outside. There, and always definitely make some adjustments if you need. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's come to the center of this circle. So say about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a very soft curve all the way across, almost straight, just a soft curve. And then right in the center, I'm going to draw half of a circle, nice and big right in the center, and then come in and draw another one. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a small circle for a highlight, and I'll shade this part all in. And when you're coloring, this is where the color of his eyes would be. You fill that part in. Okay, so now that I have that in, let's go ahead. We're going to give Stuart here a smile. So right underneath his one eye, let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, and from here, I'm just going to draw this curve that kind of comes towards the center and then a little bit more. Just give him this little smirk, and I'll cap it off. There. Okay, so then now I have that. Let's go ahead and we're going to finish up the goggles. So say right here in the center, we're just going to go ahead and draw a straight line across, down, and over. So about right in the center, and then right in the center, we're just going to draw another line. So same exact thing on the other side. So say about right here. Then from there, we're going to, let's see, what's the easiest way here? Let's go ahead and I'm going to come to, let's say about right here, where this strap is, where this little hinge is. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line right next to it. So this is going to be the sides of Stuart right here. So about right there. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right over the eye. So now I kind of know where I'm going, not too high up, just right over the eye, towards my center, and I'll come right back down. So come in here and just smooth out my curve since it is pretty big. There, so I have the top of Stuart's head. Okay, so then now I can go ahead and bring this down, just straighten it out a little bit more. And here as well, towards his mouth. From there, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the strap. So right here on his goggle, so right here, just come in, whatever space you have, and just draw a line across two of them. Okay, so then from there, let's see, we have his smile. So let's bring this down a tiny bit more. Just say about right here, barely beneath his mouth, so about right here, and I'll stop. And then before I finish everything at the bottom, let's come back and we're going to draw his headphones. So right where his strap is, I'm just going to come about right here. We're going to draw the soft part of the headphones. So I'm just going to draw a curve, bring it straight down, and about right there, I'll bring it in. Then let's come out. We're going to go straight out and then curve, angle down, straight down again, and then we're going to angle one more and then just bring it in. So then for a little detail, we can come right here. So this is the little clip part. So I'm just going to draw a curve right there and then a circle for a little detail. And so let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, give myself 2 points, approximate. And let's go ahead and draw the same thing. So just a curve, and then we're going to go straight down and curve it in. And once again, about right here, go straight out, angle down, straight down, and then we're just going to angle, curve in. And then once again, that little metal strap, and then curve in, and then a circle. Okay, so then now we got to draw the handle part, right? So right here, we're just going to go and angle out this little strap right here to start. And same thing here. So about right here, same exact thing. Just going to pop it in here. Then we can go ahead and we're going to draw a curve. So right over Stuart's head. So I'll just kind of use Stuart's head as a guide. So right there towards the center, and then I'm going to bring it down. So lots of big curves today. And right here. So definitely turn your body or your paper if you need to make it a little bit easier. And bring it down. And then last but not least, on top of his head, right in the center, right here, we're going to draw his cute hair. So I'm going to pop out, I'll just pop out 2 to make it simpler, 2 big curves. And I'll just come in here and thicken it up. There. Okay, so now we're done with that. Let's finally draw his super cute outfit. So I'm going to come right here now that we're pretty even, and I'm going to come out a little bit, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes down. And I'll thicken up this little strap, bring it down, and follow my curve. So same exact thing right here. Pop this out a little bit, and we're just going to try to aim to draw the same curve on the other side. Down, and thicken it up. From there, let's come right underneath this mouth in between these 2 straps, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right in between for his top. There. So then now we can go ahead and continue and bring this down. So just going to curve it down more. Just bring it down, and then I'll come back in here, continuing this, and I'll skip a little bit of space and come down. Same thing right here. Skip a little bit of space and come down. So now we're going to, well, before I do that, let's come back right here, sorry. I'm just going to draw another curve. This is for his shirt. So then right here is where, about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and, now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. And cut off these straps just to make it a little bit easier. And then right in this area, now that I have that, let's come right here. So we're going to start his shorts. Pop this out a little bit. And this is going to be his shorts. So I'm going to stop right about here and here, about that thick. And I'm going to come back to these straps and draw this little U right underneath, right here, just to make it a bit easier to draw. So this is supposed to be one whole piece. Then you can come back in here, and whatever space you have left, just go ahead and thicken up the band on the shorts right there. And I'll come in here, just draw some lines across so we know it's the band on the little waistband right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's continue this. We're going to come down a little bit and angle in. Same thing here, just angle in a little bit. Then find your center, so say about right here. I'm going to go straight down. Then about right here, we're just going to split it, wearing these super cute shorts, and then bring this down a little bit more and connect. So same thing here, go ahead and connect right there. And let's give our little shorts here a little trim. And let's see what else are we missing down here. Then that is pretty much it. Then now let's draw his super cute skates. So let's start on this one. I'm just gonna come right here towards this edge a little bit more. Give him a little leg, and then we're gonna pop in this curve, and let's start our skate. So we're gonna bring this down. This part is gonna curve. It's just drawing a shoe, curve out, bring it in, and then connect. There, so it's just like drawing a shoe. So same thing here, towards this edge a little bit more, little ankle. We're just gonna connect it with a curve, come down. Oop, went over a little too much. And same thing, just curve out and connect. There. And then to make it look like a pair of skates, let's come right here and we're going to draw the brakes. So draw this little angle curve, and then right in this area we're going to draw a curve and then another curve. I think it'd be easier to just draw oval first and then thicken up that oval. Another oval right here, part of it, and then an oval right here, and thicken it up. There. Okay, so same thing here. So just draw an oval right next to it, and angle and curve. So same thing here. Just draw oval, angle, and curve, and then in this area right here is the brakes. So you know what? I have to draw this a little bit wider. Okay, and then the other wheel and tuck it right in. So I should start the brakes first. fit everything in. Okay, now to make it look like a shoe, let's come right here and add a sole. Bring this curve right here and curve, curve, and then just two curves to simplify it. So same thing here. Start with the sole. Then right about here, I'm going to curve down, curve, and two curves. From there, let's finally draw the arms. So let's work on this side first, and I'm going to come right here in this area and just draw a little sleeve that comes down and tuck it in. And then I'll add a little trim here as well on his sleeves, and then we're just going to bring a hand down, nice and simple. So two curves towards this area, so I'll stop about right here, and then we're going to draw the glove. So two angles in, and then we're going to draw two curves and connect all the way back up. Nice simple hands for Minions, right? Thank goodness. So then right here we're going to have his hands up, so let's pop this out and say about right here, I'm going to come in and connect. And then right here, once again, just give it a little trim. And let's see, we're gonna come down and then angle up. Just fix this sleeve a little bit. And then right here, cut it off once again. And we're gonna angle up. And angle a little bit more. And then right here is where we're going to draw three curves. One, that's for the thumb, and then the two fingers right here. So go ahead and it'll be 1 and 2, right? And the thumb. But I guess if you're coloring it, it won't matter because it's all going to be black. I just wanted to see what's going on here. And that is pretty much it, except I'll put a heart right here on his shorts to make him my Minion Stuart from the new Minions, the Rise of Gru. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy. And if you love this Minion, please let me know in the comments below if there's other Minions from the movie that you want me to draw. And I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.